Meet Twi-Hack, compact, powerful, and perfect for ethical exploration. Learn to hack, to build, to create with Twi-Hack. Twi-Hack includes USB-C, USB-A male, USB-A female, and a microSD slot, built for universal connectivity. Works with laptops, phones, single-board computers, and test rigs. Plug in and prototype across platforms. Twi-Hack takes data protection seriously. With advanced built-in encryption and decryption support, it lets you securely store, transfer, and process information directly on the device. No extra software required. Developers can explore real-world encryption algorithms, validate data integrity, or design secure communication workflows for connected prototypes. Educators can use it to teach the fundamentals of cybersecurity, while engineers can test and refine secure firmware or authentication systems. Every operation is open source, transparent, and fully auditable, giving you complete confidence in how your data is handled. Twi-Hack empowers creators to safeguard their ideas, ensuring every byte of data remains confidential and tamper-proof. It bridges the gap between learning and practical security, making strong encryption simple, accessible, and ready for any project. Because with Twi-Hack, innovation isn't just about performance. It's about building smarter, safer, and keeping your technology truly secure from the start. Customize your input experience with Twi-Hack's keyboard key remapping feature. Reassign keys, create macros, or test new layouts for accessibility and efficiency. Ideal for developers, educators, and makers. It's an open, programmable way to explore how human interface devices can adapt to you. Twi-Hack makes control flexible, creative, and entirely yours. Run a secure factory reset demo on your own test rig, or instantly restore a clean test environment for repeatable development. Demonstrate workload automation. Twi-Hack coordinates multi-window test sequences and stress checks, so developers can validate device behavior under heavy use, safely and repeatably. Automate typed input for accessibility testing and repeatable login flows during development, fully under user control. Use the USB-C port to connect to smartphones for debugging, data transfer, or benign automation tasks, ideal for development and QA. Twi-Hack exposes standard HID interfaces for legitimate uses, accessibility automation, repeatable UI testing, and rapid prototyping of input devices. Developers can script benign workflows to simulate repetitive tasks for validation, integrate hardware controls in labs, or build assistive tools that simplify everyday tasks. Everything runs on open source firmware with libraries for Python, C/C++, MicroPython, and Arduino, giving you a safe, auditable platform to learn, test, and innovate. Meet Twi-Hack, a compact open-source multi-port device that speeds up development and testing. Plug into laptops, phones, or single-board computers to run repeatable automation, debug devices, and prototype new interfaces. It's ideal for educators, makers, and QA teams who need reliable, scriptable hardware tools. Open firmware, broad language support, and community libraries make learning and innovation easier for everyone. Twi-Hack. Compact, powerful, flexible. Back us on Kickstarter for early access.